welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the HD SuperNest nesting solution. HD SuperNest is a time-based nesting solution, meaning the longer you let it run, the more times it tries to increase the material yield of that nest. Let's go into task parameters. Go to the Advanced Nest Settings. The setting that controls the time intervals is number of tries. Increasing the number of tries will increase the length of time for nesting. If you would like to modify the intervals, you can find this setting located in the SigmaNest INI. Go to the main SigmaNest level and edit the Nesting Super INI. The first setting in number of tries is set to 10 seconds. We can bump this up to 15. Save the INI to update the default intervals. Make sure you reload the config by clicking on the config dropdown and choose Reload. Go back into Task Parameters and choose HD SuperNest. On number of tries, choose what best suits your needs. Click Auto Nest. Remember, the longer a user lets SuperNest run, the more chances for improved results. HD SuperNest is not a part of the standard SigmaNest installation, so please contact your local salesperson to get more information about how to obtain HD SuperNest. If we continue to let HD SuperNest run, we could see continued improved results. Decide for yourself when to stop nesting. Click Stop and view your results. Some things to know about SuperNest. When a part is set to no grain, SuperNest will freely rotate these parts during nesting. If a part does have grain, you can set up a wiggle room tolerance to allow the part to rotate in the positive and negative direction if applicable. To see a full list of what is supported with SuperNest HD, please refer to the help document for more details.